Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share 6 essential tips for achieving realistic lighting in 3ds Max. Whether you're working on interiors, exteriors, or product renders, getting the right lighting can make your scene pop. Let's dive in. Our first tip is to take advantage of natural lighting by using the daylight system in 3ds Max. The system stimulates the sun's position and intensity, allowing you to create natural shadows and reflections. Remember to consider the direction of the light. Where are the windows? And is the building facing east or west? Adjusting these details will give you a more realistic feel in your scene. Adding lights like spotlights, omni lights, and area lights brings extra depth and definition to your scene. 3ds Max offers a range of lighting options in the Properties library, so take your pick based on the look you're going for. Just like with natural lighting, pay attention to how different surfaces and objects interact with the lights for a well-balanced scene. Tip 3 is all about light intensity. Increasing the intensity can make your scene brighter and more vibrant, while reducing it can give it a softer, moodier effect. But don't be afraid to play with different levels until you achieve the atmosphere you want for your design. Tip 4 is to use light falloff. Falloff controls the intensity of the light based on distance, helping you create effects like a soft glow or a focus spotlight. You'll find this in the Corona light settings on the right side of your program. Adjusting falloff can make a big difference in realism, so try different settings to see what works best. Tip 5 is all about shadows. Shadows are essential for a realistic look. You can choose from shadow maps, ray-traced shadows, or area shadows to add depth. Check how your lighting interacts with the furniture and other objects to keep everything looking natural. The right shadows can take your scene from flat to fantastic. Reflections can bring out textures and materials, adding realism to glass, metal, and even glossy surfaces. Try out ray-traced reflections to create shiny or matte effects depending on the look you're after. Playing around with reflection types and finishes helps make each material look true to life. Lighting is a game changer for creating stunning visuals, so experiment with these tips in your next project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if there's a lighting technique you'd like to see covered in detail. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!